Everyone, Darren here, looking now at a chart of outer wall. This is a weekly chart, quite an eventful stock. But the reason I'm showing you this chart is because you have a very interesting state of affairs taking place with the stock as of late. As you can see, the stock was mostly above the midline of the super trend, got under it for a while in the summer and the fall, then off that October-November rally, got above it again and had a very nice run. The green bars got above their midline. We got above the midline of the super trend, so everything lined up. Trend filter on green, riding the green line, relative strength over the midline, and intermediate term momentum got up, and we had a very nice run to the upside. Then all of a sudden, an earnings related a drop here that took you down below the midline of the super trend. Another week, down week here on another red bar, and then we've had this sort of bounce up above the midline of the super trend. But this is why you need to use all of the indicators in conjunction, because you need the comfort of the confirmation on numerous fronts before making investment decisions. Again here, so you get above the midline of the super trend, but look at the price bars. The price bars remain below the midline, so that's your first sign of warning. Our composite here still trending lower, another sign of warning. Our trend filter has not bought this bounce at all. It said this is just a dead cat bounce. Read nothing into it. It's not buying it as a recovery. Much to the contrary, it's still riding the red line, so it's not buying into this bounce at all. Relative strength again below the midline, never got above again, and intermediate term momentum also negative. So, and surely enough, we've gotten marginally, if you can see the close 64.52 and plot 3 64, which is the midline 64.56. So we got under the midline of the super trend. Stock looks like it's rolling over and should see some downside from here. So again, that's why our job is not to take any one thing and base our opinions on it blindly. We need to be able to see here. Look at here. This was a legitimate up move because again, we got above the midline of the super trend, green bars above their midline. We had a rising composite, a trend filter riding the green line and rising, relative strength above the midline, and intermediate term momentum positive. So again, everything was stacking up, and sure enough, we got the up move. Look at the difference with here. We just illustrated it. We got the move over the midline of the super trend, but nothing else is confirming. And sure enough, we're beginning to roll over. So this is hopefully a good illustration of how to look at the model in its entirety when making trading decisions and pinpointing good entry points both on the long side as well as the short side. I hope this helps. Happy trading and speak to you later.